guys, today we are going to learn new grammar, present perfect. We use present perfect for an action that happened at unstated time in the past. The emphasis is on the action, not the time. So the time when it happened is unimportant or unknown. For example, I have painted the bedroom. They have written the report. The time is unknown. Secondly, for an action which started in the past and continues up to the present, especially with stative verbs such as be, have, like, know. For example, Olga has lived in Istanbul for 70 years. She started living in Istanbul 7 years ago and she's still doing it. She's still living there. Thirdly, for a recently completed action, недавно біткен іс-әрекет, they have just finished their meeting. The action is complete and the meeting is now over. Fourthly is to talk about a past action which has a visible result in the present. For example, Kadirbayev has bought a new suit. He bought a new suit in the past and he looks very smart. Now he's smart because he bought a new suit in the past. That's a result. And also for personal experiences or changes which have happened. For example, it's the first time he has attended an interview. Yani tecrübe. And we have learned 3 differences of these verbs: have gone to, have been to, and have been in. For example, she has gone to Berlin. She's on her way to Berlin, or she's there now. She hasn't come back. Secondly, she has been to Paris. She went to Paris, but she isn't there now. She's come back. Thirdly, she has been in Madrid for 5 years. So she's in Madrid now. And the formula of present perfect have, has, plus past participle, verb 3 or verb et. And to form negative form, have not, has not, plus past participle. And time expressions of present perfect: recently, so far, already, just, ever, for, since. We use these time expressions for positive sentences, and for negative sentences we use yet, never. For example, you don't need to print the report. I have already emailed it to the boss. Yani уже, already, recently completed action. And also more examples. Have you met your new coworker yet? Yet. әлі, яғни сөйлем соңында қоямыз вопросительный знак. They haven't published the report yet. Сөйлем соңында yet, әлі. I've just called the New York office. Just, только что. This is the best job I've ever had. Have you ever worked in a bank? Have you ever, когда-либо. I have never been promoted.